Hi, my name is Melissa, and I am a current graduate student at USC and Dietetic Intern here at Kingsley Manor. And for Latinx Heritage Month, I wanted to highlight different plants that are native to the Americas. So we're going to start with North America and make our way down to the Caribbean islands, and we're going to talk about the different health benefits of each of those plants. So let's get started. Starting off in North America, the first plant that I wanted to highlight is Amaranth. Amaranth is native to the region of Mexico and has been cultivated for over 8,000 years, making it one of the oldest crops. It was known as the food of immortality by the Aztecs and has played an integral role in both indigenous diet and ceremonies. Even today, it's not uncommon to find amaranth on altars dedicated to past ancestors during Dia de los Muertos. As you can see here, amaranth grows tall on stalks, and both the seeds and the leaves are edible. Though amaranth leaves and seeds are both edible, you're more likely to come across the seeds in stores here in the United States. And these seeds provide a earthy, nutty flavor that go great in salads, or you can also use them as cereals. And what's so special about these seeds is that in just one serving, you're meeting and exceeding your manganese nutrient needs. And manganese is a mineral that is important for brain function, and it's also being researched for its protective factors against certain neurological health conditions. And in addition, amaranth is also a great source of protein, and it's one of the only plant sources that contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a pretty special seed. Okay, so moving further south to Central America, the next plant that we're going to talk about is the marañón. If you've ever wondered why cashews are one of the only nuts that you can't buy in its shell, the marañón is why. So the marañón is actually considered a false fruit. The false fruit is the bigger portion, and then the seed is outside of the fruit, which is the cashew. So this fruit is different than a lot of other fruits because it is 45% fat versus only about 20% carbohydrate. Okay, so both parts of the marañón are edible, so both the pulp and the seed, or otherwise known as the cashew, are both edible. And the marañón is one of the fruits that is higher in copper. So copper is a mineral our body uses to make energy. It is used in healthy brain development, and it also helps us to strengthen our immune system. Now that we've reached South America, we're going to be stopping in the country of Peru. Peru is a very unique country in that it is rich in superfoods, but today we're going to be looking at the purple potato. The reason why I wanted to highlight the purple potato is because there is a misconception that potatoes in general hail from Ireland, but that's not the case. All potatoes are native to Peru. The purple potato is native to the Andes mountain region, and it is unique in that it has a blue-black outer skin, and the flesh inside is a very dark purple. And this dark purple is present prior to cooking and remains even after it's been cooked. And usually when you see brilliant colors like that, it's a telltale sign that this plant is going to be full of antioxidants, and the purple potato is no exception. The purple potato is rich in copper, in B6, and vitamin C. Okay, our next and final stop is going to be in the Caribbean islands in the country of the Dominican Republic. So the Dominican Republic is home to a fruit called the acerola cherry. So this cherry is unique in that it is extraordinarily rich in vitamin C. Just 1 cup of acerola cherries has 17 times the vitamin C content than 1 orange, which is a lot of vitamin C. However, because vitamin C is an antioxidant, once this fruit has been picked, you have about 3 to 5 days to consume it before it loses some of its beneficial properties. Well, that concludes our tour of Latin America. I hope you had as much fun as I did.